slow.
Yes, he's walking very slow. Blake, make him go.
Come on, Teddy.
Big kick on your outside leg. There you go. Kick, kick, kick. Kiss. Look where you want to go. Are you looking where you want to go? Okay, look. Keep going till he goes there. Keep going. Don't let him come stop at me.
Keep on kicking.
There. Yes, of course. You only stop when he does what you want.